is it difficult to secure renewal terms for some of your clients? And I could say, well, it's incredibly difficult, but we're able to do it. The management liability market is in a total state of flux. And the life science sector has been problematic. Basically, there's been no new developments. It has been a historic claims trend from 2011 to today. And those claims have built up through time, and some have been worse than others. And unfortunately, underwriters are not reserved accordingly. And as a result of that, the market now in 17, 18 and 19 is crystallized some of those losses, paid an awful lot of money, and then realized that there's not enough premium to pay for these losses.
For directors of liability, it's been claims experience. And it's really been looking at past years' claims experiences where they've been reserving for expected losses coming through, and the combination of those claims plus the increased cost of litigation now compared to what they've been reserving is resulting in having to reevaluate their pricing.
2 years ago, 3 years ago, you'd have had 300-400 million available for US listed IPOing biotechs. Now 70 million, maybe 85 million if you're lucky, and that 85 will cost you 10 million, whereas a couple of years ago it cost you $1 million. And so you've got a massive shrinkage in capacity. In order to buy the limit, you need to pay more premium. And then it's a self-fulfilling prophecy, because underwriters don't then need the next deal that comes along.
It's going to be exactly the same conditions. We're going to continue to see these hard market conditions in certain lines of business. We're hoping that there'll be fresh capacity from Lloyd's that hopefully will take some of the pressure off of some of these areas.
You should think carefully about your renewal date, and if moving the renewal date will give you access to more underwriting competition, because what you're trying to do is broker these deals in a market which maximizes the limited capacity that there already is.
The importance of a specialist broker is vital to the life science community to really understand their business and the risk that they face.
And I think the role of the broker is to hold the client's hand, leverage all of the relationships the clients and the brokers have in the insurance market, and get the best deal they possibly can. And that's more and more difficult to do. If you can get the limit and give the client the option to buy the limit that they want, even regardless of the price, you've done a good job, because you can present different options to reduce the price, but then it becomes the board's decision versus the market forcing that on the client.